My name is Heba Safey Eldeen. I'm an architect. I'm actually a university professor, and I used to be the director of the House of Egyptian Architecture, and I used to be the co-director for the UIA Architecture and Children work group. Sorry, work program. I like very much the independent workshops and their products. So probably I will have like a training of trainers based on the independent 4 workshops that we have done in the Arhitectura Talk. And also when I receive or watch the documentation on a movie, on a clip on the YouTube, I will definitely have many topics to add for the different age groups and for the different experiences, indoors, outdoors, play, study. They were very valuable, but definitely I will take the 4 independent workshops. I would like everybody to take the idea or the notion that introducing sustainability or the UN 17 SDGs call for introducing sustainable thinking. And this doesn't have to be at school, and it doesn't have to be in a curriculum. You can start from where you're at. You can start with a very young child, introducing that we do not throw away what can be used again. We do not buy things that we do not actually need. It's the 3 R's plus U that, from my perspective, make a constitution for every single sustainable thinking idea that have been transformed into the UN 17 SDGs.
We can say the 3 R's and U is recycling.
Yeah, reduce consumption of anything, and then reuse what can be reused maybe in its same format but for another purpose or for the same purpose, and then recycle, that you take it to another use, and then upcycle, you take it to another format to be included in something else. I see it as a core. It will be a core for many people as a lifestyle, with their kids at home, with their younger siblings, with their whatever they teach or deal with younger generations. And it's going to be a bigger movement that will rely on word of mouth and on experiences and expertise rather than a school curriculum.
Mm-hmm.
Your conference here was perfectly organized, from the structure, from the flow, from the volunteers, from the venue, from the facilities, from the diversity of speakers and where they come from. So I wouldn't think that I have anything that I require for more or for future conferences, but maybe make it a little open so that maybe some other people who can afford to travel can come.
Mm-hmm.
So the majority is not Romanians, and with some speakers from abroad. No, I want also the attendees to come from different parts of the world.
Mm-hmm. So more open.
Yes, and I would like to add something. I usually say this in many venues all over the world. There are countries that need to be enlightened. We as third world countries in Egypt and many African countries, and also many rich countries that rely on consumption ideas, international, those countries need to be brought in and need to participate in such events. It's always important for me to ring the bell that you might find treasures in other peoples or other countries, even if they are different. I will tell you a brief example and I will go. When I was trying to spread the word in Africa, and there was this meeting in Tanzania, and then the people said, why do we follow a Western thing? Maybe we don't need the same criteria. Maybe we need to improve the quality of the living standards of the farmers who need to grow more crops, or need to educate the children how to build better chicken boxes, or so this would be built environment education for us, but not necessarily a design build of concrete and a bridge. And so this calls for sustainable thinking. This, by the way, was before the UN 17 SDGs was announced. So it's a different perspectives, things, and we should be open and flexible. We don't dictate, but we listen to the others and make it as flexible as can be.